Yeah, hello, good day, everyone. Hope you're having a great day. So basically, this is part two of the not actually part two, like project two, basically. So we've done project one. So in this lesson, basically, what we're going to do is the first the first project we use trinket. So basically, it's because of those that are using phone. That's why we have to use trinket. So if you are still using trinket, you can continue using your trinket if you are using phone. But if you have a PC, I think it's better you work locally with your VS Code. So if you want to install VS Code, just search for VS Code in your address bar or your Google search. Type in VS Code. Yeah, the first option here. Then just click on download. You'll be able to download and install your VS Code. So if you have any trouble downloading or installing it, please comment below so that I can forward the link. Yeah, the link will be added as well. So basically we're going to work on project 2. So if you want to work on project 2, this is the finished project. Let me open the finished project and see what it looks like. Then let me click create your own. This is what we are working on basically. Yeah, it's loading up. Please make sure you go through the introductory note because they complement each other. You read the introductory notes so that you know what you are dealing with in the final in the project. You can't just work on the project without knowing the little thing behind it. So just you can just this is how I like to learn. It's called deep work. It's called deep work. Basically, I just come over here and say, oh, this is H1. So what is H1? Then I'll now go back to that one. Oh, I think in the third there's a part that H1 was discussed. So basically, you can just, oh, div, this is div. What is div? Then you can just go back and learn about it from the article. Most of them are already included in the article. So I didn't just read theory then come back for practical. No, I open practical, the project. Then each time I encounter any problem, I go back to theory to learn about it. It's called deep work. So basically, you don't have to learn everything, but while working on a project, you know basic things you need. It's called abstraction in code. So you just abstract it. The things you need, you learn them. You cannot learn everything. So that's just the fact. So basically, so this is the finished project. Knock knock, who is there? Thank you. You're welcome. So I enjoy this kind of joke very well. I used to make it to my student then. So this is what we're working on today. This is the finished project. This is how it looks like. So this is the initial project. This is how it looks like. So the first thing we're going to do is we click on share. Then we click on download. So it's downloading. Okay. So let me delete this. All these names too long. Let me call it tell a story. Yeah, it's downloaded. So it's a zip file. It's a zip file. So basically you just need to cut it, or you just need to put in anywhere, any folder you like. I don't like the location, so I'm putting in download instead. So this is the tell a story.zip. This is a zip file. So I'm going to unzip it by clicking on extract all. That's the first step. Make sure you extract it because it will not work. It's like it's encoded. You have to decode it. Yeah, when you after you unzip it, then it will open up in a separate window like this. So you can close this. You don't need this. So basically, just right click on it. You will see open with code. But if you're unable to see open with code, no wahala. Just go back. Go and open your VS Code. If you have VS Code installed on your laptop, just search for VS Code. It will appear. So just open a new window. So when you open a new window, just click on file. Then when you get to file, just click on open folder. So we just need to open a folder. The folder is in download and the name of the folder is called tell a story. No, just click on tell a story like this, then you click on select folder. So yes, we've successfully opened the folder with VS Code. So this is it. We have our index.html, which is the main thing we're going to, our main file we're going to work on. Then we have our style.css. Don't forget, this is not a CSS project, it's basically HTML project. So we're going to work more on HTML. So this HTML, good. We have this is the basic boilerplate of HTML. We have the head section, we have the body, everything inside the HTML tags. You understand? So basically, if you want to, we want to like this. This is the editor, but it's the browser that will interpret whatever code we are writing, so that we'll see it appear in the way it's supposed to. You understand? So that is why we need to install a live server. The live server will help us to like open it up. It will help us to open it up on the browser, and we will not need to be like, maybe like reloading every now and then. So basically, just search for live. Yeah, it's an extension. Click on this extension icon here, then search for live server. Then you click on this. Is the first result that will mostly come out. It's made by Ritwick Day. So instead of uninstall that is there, install will be there. Just click on install to install it. So when you after you install it, then you are good to go. Then let's go back to our folder. So click on index.html. Basically, much of the work we're going to do is inside the body. But then let's open up the HTML file and see how it looks before we do anything on it. So open with live server. Yeah, it's coming up. Yeah, it's coming up. It's coming up. Okay. Yeah, this is how it looks. This is how it looks. So it was a beautiful day. Yeah, beautiful day. So tell a stories here. So the first we need to do is to change the p tag, the content of the p tag. So let's change it to hello and see how it looks. Hello, save it. Let's see. Yeah, you know I told you that we don't need to reload. I think something is wrong with my laptop. It's running slow. Save it now. Yeah, it's running. It's supposed to update immediately. Okay, let's see. Hello, bro. Save. Yeah, it's up. Yeah, it's working immediately now. So basically, what we need to do now is okay. Yeah, so we have images. We have several images. We have the image of a building, dinosaur, flower, girl, boy, rainbow. So we're just going to use the boy and girl. So this is the image tag. I think if you go through the introductory notes, you know what img tag is for. This is for images, then you can change this one to boy. Then images usually come with alt tag. So basically, alt tag is the full meaning is alternative text. So this is for just for this is for special user like people that have visual impaired. So basically, they use a screen reader. So the screen reader will allow them. It will allow them to the screen reader will read it out to them. You know, screen reader might not have the capacity to describe images. It might not be able to read the img type, but instead it will read it might not be able to read the source, but it's to be able to read the alt tag, the alternative text, alt attributes rather, not the tag, alternative text. So basically, let's just put in the description here. The picture of a boy. So let's start here. Knock. Knock knock. Yeah, you see, knock knock. So basically we're going to create for the girl too. Yeah, let me show you how to use email to create it, but after this we'll just be copying and paste. So let me put div, just type div, click enter, email, there is a shortcut, then you put in the img, you say img source, then source is girl.png, The main reason is that the image is in the same folder, same directory with the HTML file, so we don't need to do much work. Just put in the title. It's over here, girl.png. Then let's copy this. If you can see any tech person that is not lazy, then I don't know what to call them. I think that's the main thing of that's the main reason why tech exists, because of lazy people. Yeah, basically that's the truth. I mean 100% of people, because we always look for the easy way to do things. Knock knock. So after this, say who is there, who is there. So basically another way you can do this is delete everything, then put P, then put the curly bracket, then you type who is there with question mark, enter. Yeah, you see, then you save it. Yeah, it will appear. This is it here, who is there. So I'm just going to copy the 2 3 times. Select these 2, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, Ctrl V. Good. So I already have knock knock, who is there. Then I'm going to edit for the boy, thank. Then this girl will ask, thank who? Yeah, you know thank who sound like thank you, basically. Then it'll be like you're welcome. You are welcome. Then it'll be like oh, then you put in a funny emoji. Yeah, so oh, funny emoji. So this is the I think basically this is where we'll stop. So let's go over it. You see it's updating immediately. That is the use of that is why it's better to use the live server. Normally you could just save it here, then you open with the browser, but then if you use the live server, the moment you're making changes, saving it in your code editor, the changes will be reflecting in your browser immediately. So this is it. Knock knock, who is there? Thank you, you're welcome. So that's the end of the story. So basically, yeah, this is not a if you remember, I told this is not a CSS project. It's basically HTML project. The CSS is already added for us. So, but then if you want to make changes, you can make changes. Like now, let's see, we want to change this one to orange. Save it. That's the background. If you change the background to orange, then you change this one to blue. Save it. You see? Yeah, it's changed to blue. Or we can change this from solid to rich. Rich, yeah. So basically, you see, so we can say that it's very sweet. I don't know how to describe it, but that is the clearest thing that comes to my mind. So it's very interesting. I think basically anybody that like to make beautiful things who actually like CSS. So if you save it, then yeah, I think that is the end of the project. So now the next thing we need to do now is to host the project. We need to put it up on GitHub so that we can generate we can turn it to a web page that we can share with our friends. So save it. Then after that, you can minimize this. Then you can go to github.com. github.com. Why is it loading slowly? So github.com. So this is github.com. This is my home page. If you haven't created yours, you have the option of sign in or sign up. So you just sign up. I think basically you can undo the process. There's nothing wrong. There's no wrong steps. So just follow through, and basically you'll be able to do that. So then click on repositories. Yeah, the reason why I asked to click on repository is that my own create new is behind my webcam. It's behind the webcam over here, so I can't really see it. So you have to, so click on new. Yeah, we're creating new. Don't mind that picture. It's filtered. So basically, so tell a story part 2. Yeah, I already created one, so that's, you can add a description, then public, yeah, select public so that you can share with people. Private is just for yourself. Then you can add a readme file. Then you can select the license, MIT. I love using MIT. You can use Creative Commons too, or GNU. So after creating it, then you can click on add files. We are uploading files. So just click on choose files. Oh, the folder is already opened up for us. But is it this one? No, it's not this one. So let's go to tell a story. It is this one. So let's do Control A. We're uploading everything. Let's select everything at once and upload it at once. Okay, it's uploading. So let's just wait for it to upload. Go. I don't know what is wrong. Yeah, it should do. It will work. I think it's network. Oh. Yeah, it used to be very fast. I don't know why it's slow. So why that one is uploading, let's come and add a commit message. Add files via upload. Then let's just wait for some time for it to upload. Upload now. Upload now. Yeah, it's still uploading. Still uploading. 12 out of 14. So these are the files. You already add the commit message. So is everything done? So now you can click commit changes. So it will just take a few minutes to process. So basically everything is complete. So what we need to do now is go to settings. So when we get to settings, just go to pages. Yes, so let's change this branch to main branch, not none. Let's click on save. Yeah, it's saving up. Let's just give it a few minutes to save. I don't know what's wrong with my network. Village people. Village people come. So yeah, that's the network. The network is kind of very slow, but I think it's still done. It's done. Village people want to hang my network. Cannot do anything. But I don't know what's wrong with the network. Oh. Still very slow. Still very slow. Let's reload the page and see. Yeah, I think it's already saved already. But it will take maybe 1 or 2 minutes for the site to be fully live. So let's keep reloading. You can just click Ctrl R or go to the top beside the search the address bar at the top and reload. My network, come on. Yes, our site is live. So you can just right click and open a new tab, or just click on it. If you click on it, it will still open up. So this is the link. This is the link you can copy. You can just right click copy and send it to your friends. You see, knock knock, who is there? Thank you, you're welcome. Oh it's not that funny, but I just like I don't know, it's funny actually. So basically just copy the link, then you can share it with your friends and everyone. So I think this is where we stop, and this is the end of our project 2. If you have any question, please comment below. You can send a DM, you can message me. I hope you enjoy it. Bye.